Well, we all know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to learn guitar online and you're continually having to take your hands off the instrument to click the mouse, stop, rewind. It can be a real drag and slow you down. But then a couple months ago, one of my students at Tasty Guitar reached out to me and asked me if the Vidami controller was compatible with my website. And I had no idea because I'd never heard of the Vidami. So I reached out to the good folks there and they sent me the Vidami Blue. Now, the Vidami Blue is an incredible little device. It's Bluetooth enabled, completely wireless, hands-free controller for use with video, page turners, and in your digital audio workstation. Let's take a look at some of the features. All right, first let's go ahead and take a look at the functions of the foot switches in the video player mode. Of course, you have the play and pause button, which is going to start playback and pause playback. Then you have the back button, which is basically going to rewind in your video. And you have the forward button, which is going to fast forward the video playback. Another key function of the controller is a speed control. So with the speed button, you can cycle through up to 5 different preset speeds. So you can really slow things down to a crawl if you want. And one thing I really love about this is you can use the included control center to dial in those speeds to exactly what you want. Another very cool feature is the onboard loop control. So say I want to work on a lick in this particular piece here. I'm going to set my loop point. So you're going to start the loop at that point. I'm going to set the loop out, and then it's going to loop this lick continuously until I clear that loop. Another cool thing is you can also use a speed control with that and slow down playback of that loop. Another function of Vidami Blue is as a page turner. When you're doing live gigs, you definitely don't want to have to take your hands off the instrument to scroll through your charts. In Vidami's page turner mode, basically you can use the speed and loop buttons to scroll back or forwards through your charts, tabs, or lyrics. And finally, you can also use Vidami Blue as a controller for your DAW. Here I'm using the back button in Logic to start recording. You can also set markers and navigate within your track. So I hope you enjoyed that little rundown of the features of the Vidami. It's a real game changer for online learning, and I'm really thrilled to announce that Tasty Guitar is now compatible with the Vidami, as well as over 70 other top online learning platforms, all your major DAWs, and your tab, lyric, and chart programs as well. If you'd like more information about the Vidami, please check the description below, and there's also a coupon code down there exclusive for Tasty Guitar viewers. Happy practicing.